So they did a slip joint there, they welded there, and then they did another slip joint there.
Shoddy jobby.
Shoddy jobby.
Shoddy jobby.
Sounds sick. Was it just starting like that? Bargain bucket is looking more like,
Yeah, definitely.
$14.99. No bargain.
You build that connection, you build that bond. You know.
Alright, good morning everyone. Yeah, it is the early hours of the morning. It is 6 AM. Today it's a bit of a weird one. I had enough people in the back of my head going, oh, Alice, your car isn't really that loud. So a mate of mine is going up to BCS where I got my exhaust done to get his done on his Edition 35, which he just bought. Kind of stay tuned for that because we're gonna be doing a bit of a madness on that, kind of like what we did suspension wise on this. That guy is mental. He's doing everything quick as possible. So 3.5, 4 hour journey filled up, and yeah, we will we'll keep you posted. So we're here at BCS. Jins's Edition 35 is up there. That's that bottleneck. You see how thin that gets there. Yeah.
So the only thing that the guy said he had done was a back box delete, so I presume that's what this is.
Yeah. But it's so weird that they narrowed it there.
I know. Shocking.
Please. You made something out of a seagull shape.
Yeah.
It looks like a seagull. Obviously, because it's 2 inch and it's been trimmed 50% to the centre, that then gives you a 2 inch. So they reduced this down to 2 inch so that we can.
That's how you end up with that jet noise.
Yeah.
That is exactly it, yeah.
Oh man.
Is there supposed to be a slip joint here? I was trying to remember whether it's supposed to be fully all the way or just cut there.
Two-wheel drive Golf here. Scirocco, I think is about here. It's actually about there.
Other than that, it kind of looks
Similar.
like the same thing, yeah.
VW, I think.
It's clean. It's very clean. Look at that plate. I can't even see it.
I know. All the cars up here are like that. Literally all of them. On the way up.
You think it's a diesel?
I need to get the thing put back in, the windscreen wiper. I
Ah,
don't like it.
see me? I'm the only person who keeps. Everyone says, delete your windscreen wiper. No, there's a function.
If it was a Scirocco though, I would have it deleted.
So I've got the sports exhaust, and he's going for the same, but I'm going to get mine modified so that the res is a little bit smaller. And this one has had the same thing done that mine did, where I cut the back box off and then slapped on a bit of pipe and called it a day. Here you can see that reduction that gets you that jet noise that you see a lot of these have when they take it from 2.5 to 2 and then split the pipe. And it's leaking there anyway. You're probably blowing, you can see. So weird. Whoa, I just realised something as well. So they did a slip joint there, they welded there, and then they did another slip joint there.
Shoddy jobby.
Shoddy jobby.
Shoddy jobby.
Jins is done. Mirror finish. As you can see, proper joint here. No reduction, stays all the way until it splits. You happy?
Oh, super happy. Super happy.
It's completely done now, so it's time for the first start. Coming down.
And yes, you raise me up. I said
You bring me down.
It's a bad thing, really, but you know, not in this occasion.
This one bringing us down is going to make us
Go up.
go up. Exactly. No, that's a questionable statement.
Well, you know.
Yeah.
They know.
It's that.
She
it's
knows.
that. Yeah. She knows.
Funny fucker, aren't you?
I ain't got no money. I ain't got no car to take you on a date.
That's nice. That's nice.
Sounds sick.
Yeah, that's nice. That is quite nice. I got to be honest. On boost.
Not too much.
Not too.
but it still has
It's
something.
little. Yes. Yes.
Perfect.
All right, my car has just gone in. I didn't even get it. He distracted me, but it's okay. We do like this,
I love it.
and it's subtle. Nothing too leery. Nothing too in your face. Nice free flowing exhaust. And I've got my mics. When we take this out for a little spin, we'll see what it sounds like. So now, it's my car. It's time for my car.
A few minutes later.
Old res is off. Sat there, and then we get a smaller one for a little bit more noise. Nothing too crazy, we don't want any drone, but just to kind of enhance that sound and just bring it out a little bit more. Maybe if we just start it like that. That'd be loud. Alright, it is. Actually, what time is it?
7 p.m.
7 p.m. and we are,
to.
and we're still here. Yeah. They've just done stuff. I don't know how to explain it. It's louder, but the question now is it too loud? I don't think. Well, the thing is, it's stationary and it sounds decent, but
Sounds good.
the question is when it's under power on the road, is it gonna sound like mental?
And the tips have changed.
And the tips have changed. Yeah. We've
The sound.
gone for some big 4.5-inch tips.
Wait and see.
Yeah. Wait and see. I think they work. What do you think? You're still waiting until they're both on.
Yeah, so I haven't looked at them properly. I've only
Yeah.
seen it from a side angle. They look better than I anticipated because by the way, guys, I'm a fan of the ovals.
He's
So I'm an oval fan.
to be fair, the ovals are nice,
They look sick.
but I like when I first got the car. Literally, the thing was 3 days after buying the car, I was like, boom, exhaust, cut that back box straight off, boom, throw that in the bin, and then I got 4.5-inch burnt titanium tips.
That's why.
And that's why I've got that. I missed that round look, and this is giving me that kind of vibe again. But
I'll be honest. I think they're gonna work, and I think they're gonna look sick.
I think
I
the
do think they're gonna
tips.
look
I
sick.
think are gonna stay.
Yeah.
But the question is, basically, they've removed the res. There's no res anymore.
This is a straight pipe.
Straight all the way.
This is a rule.
It's just like bing all the way to the end. So yeah, is it loud? Is it too loud?
Underload.
We will find out. To be fair, if it's too loud, they've got a custom in between just a smaller res basically, and then I think that'd be perfect.
I think we just need to hear it under load. If he's happy with it, hear it under load.
He won't.
See.
The thing is, he's very particular. He will not boot it past 4.5K. But
You have to do it.
we know that I'm happy to
You know
boot
what I
it
mean?
past 4.5K. We'll boot it to 8K. Stay tuned, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. Really, yeah. But it's looking spicy.
Coming soon to a cinema near you.
Okay, we are going to do a cold start because we want to get some food while we are still here, and yeah. To be fair, it's not too loud at all, yeah. Right, it is blitz. Yeah, we're getting in. Oh, mics are on, so we're going to get some audio for you lovely ladies and gentlemen. Alright, first drive. It's not very loud at all.
Not in here anyway, but it sounded quite loud when it was outside. I like the little car.
Yeah. That is, I like that. It's that little brap that you get on the farts. Yeah.
I was at about just under 6.5K.
Yeah.
So rather than letting the car do it
rev all the way out, you just flick it. Yeah. Yeah. So, quick little update. It is now 8:30 and we are still very, very far away from home. Yeah, we got too hungry, so we Burger King'd it. BK. And yeah, big up BK. Next up on the list is the Colonel for this gentleman. Colonel's fried chicken.
Shit, hopefully it's chicken and not
Yeah, not pigeon. I think we're coming up to a KFC as well. Yeah.
Give me the chicken!
That was spin.
Was, yeah,
That,
dropped
but it dropped.
first.
Yeah.
It dropped
Yeah.
it first.
I see KFC. Whoop. I see the Colonel.
Let us in.
Getting there.
That was in auto mode. That sounded bare fresh, but you know what I mean.
Auto mode.
That was in auto mode. Right, what am I gonna get? Bargain bucket, $5.99.
That bargain bucket is looking more like
Yeah, it's definitely
$14.99.
$399.
No bargain.
What are we gonna get?
Buckets for one. Whoa, even the bucket for one is $9.99.
That's that madness, isn't it? Wait, is there like someone to chat to or?
Well.
Oh, it says please wait here. No problem. I just pulled up, so there was actually no wait, which is amazing, like Grace. Let me get a large one, please. Wonderful, thank you.
I love the way you order your meals. He has you have an energy.
Yeah, you got it, man.
He has an
You gotta
energy.
make sure that way then they'll cook it right for you. Do you know what I mean? Gotta gas it up. You build that connection. You build that bond. You know.
Ooh, that one was nice. That one was nice. like it. I mean, I like it.
I like
Don't forget, it's not designed to be, at least for this car. I'm insane. Mine has to be loud as heck. But this one is supposed to be semi-tame but fruity.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I say it achieves that. Yeah,
It's got character. That's what
Exactly.
it is. It's got character, but it's not
overly
shout me,
done.
Look at me.
Yeah,
Listen, everybody,
it's subtle.
I'm flying. Yeah,
It's
yeah,
subtle.
Yeah, it is.
but you literally can't even see me. We're now turning back up to BCS. We're gonna have some munch, and we'll find out whether the old Rocco is done, but it's not outside, so I don't think it is. That was a fun one.
Alright, little young.
Did you enjoy that?
Splendid.
Time for
Splendid.
time for the food now. It's
Mate,
time.
That is all I'm thinking about.
Time for the Burger King for me. Time for the KF.
Oh, you didn't get your wings, bro.
Oh well. Oh well. It's okay. It's okay. I got.
It just clicked.
Yeah,
just as
I've
you
just
said that.
I've just remembered. No hot wings. It's all right though.
I'll have some
Right,
for him.
let's go. I will update you again because this day has been the longest day I've had in a long time. Update. Okay, it is done, and what do we think?
He
What do
was
we think?
right. He
I was right. I was right. That. Woo. And that was the original acoustic chamber res. That is what we have now. Oh, I'm very excited for this drive back now. I'm very excited for this drive back. Right, it is what time? 9:15. We've had the food. The food was terrible. Yeah, it was cold. It was stale, and I feel like I got ripped off. But okay, and we are done. Perfect. That's it. That's it. Everyone who knows me has gone, oh, you've touched the exhaust like 20 times. This is it. This is, you're hearing me say it now. This is the last time we're touching that exhaust. We done now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we done. We done.
Very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken poppers. Chicken poppers. To be fair, the chicken poppers were the only good part of the meal. Other than that, everything was trash.
He's fresh because they're popcorn chicken, but he's calling them chicken poppers. Fresh. Ghana boy.
I'm a Ghana boy. Yes, Ghana boy. But yeah. So it's done now. It's freezing though. It's freezing cold. We're done. We're like 3 hours from home. So after this, we're gonna pay the fine gentleman, and then we are going to the petrol station to fill up, and then we're zooming home. Maybe a little zoom, but within the legal limit. It's legal zooming. And then yeah, I'll do a couple like. I'm bugging there. We'll do yeah. We'll do a couple little test POVs on the way. Nothing too crazy. And then yeah, we will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you for joining on this interesting day. A lot has happened. Shout out to him. Wait. Shout out. There we go. Shout out to him for being amazing. And watch out because we're gonna be doing a lot to this edition 35. It's going to be track ready for
Soon.
for
To a cinema near you. I told you earlier. It's coming soon to a cinema near you.
there you go. So coming soon, you will see it doing a bit of madness. And then from there, just stay tuned. So thanks for joining. Thank you for joining. Thanks to BCS for having us to Stupid O'Clock. And honestly doing a really nice job on both the cars. And I'm waffling again. So anyway, I'm gonna dip out. You can see the drive and enjoy. All right then, so we're all done. It is 10:30. Oh, we've just got petrol. I'm tired, but home is when it loads. Please don't be horrible. 3 hours and 15 minutes. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right, well we'll carry on the GoPro. So that's him off. I'll catch up with him in a bit. But yeah, this is where it all goes. Really silent for a bit, and then we see how it sounds. Right then, we are back. It is freezing cold, and yeah, 3 hours and 15 minutes home, but it's got to be done. To be fair, for having pretty much like the tiniest resonator, it's quite quiet in here. Like, I kind of expected it to be a bit too loud and we're gonna have to get used to it, but you know what, I gotta say it, I've said it before, I said it again, the guys, Dave especially, you know, he's got a couple of guys that work with him as well, really nice, but Dave really knows what he's doing and is really nice, knowledgeable, helpful when it comes to trying to get an exhaust tailored just right. And I've been doing this how many times now, so yeah. I mean, the best part is he didn't even charge us for fitting again, and he didn't charge me, the tips only cost, I think he said 80 for the two, and what is this, and the new resonator, that only cost 300 and some change, which is really good, especially that we've been here so long. You know, a lot of people would go, wow, that's, at least for them, not really a lot of money for the amount of time that they spent working on the car, but it goes to show that they're not really driven by the money, but they're driven more by the fact that if the customer is happy, then they're going to want to talk about them, and then obviously talking about them will bring in new customers who might also want to do their exhausts. So really and truly, I cannot fault any of the work they've done over the course of the 3 separate times that they have worked on my exhaust. What is that? Oh, I can just chill, relax, because it has been such a long day. Really has been a long day. A lot has happened. Getting up at 5 AM, didn't really sleep as well as I should have done, and it's 10:30 and I won't get back home till 1:43. That's gonna be fun. I'll do a couple of short pulls, nothing crazy, nothing that's, yeah, I'm too tired to be doing anything stupid. Just something nice, tame, to kind of show off how this is now, because yeah, it's really nice. It is really nice. Right, I thought I'd just bring you back because, whoa, there is like very little drone. I'm doing 70 and I got no problem in it. So even though it is significantly smaller, yeah, we've got no real issue with that. not bad at all. Fucking loud. Jeez. Can I reach? Can I reach? How quick were you? Damn. Oh. Come on, there we go. Wow. That is £10 gone right there. Broken down lorry. Okay. I saw those blue lights and I was like, oh boy, we have problem. That is insane. That is insane. Time to chill. Time to chill. That is, yeah, that is something else. Right, ladies and gents, I'm sure you have heard more than enough. For me, it has been such a long day and night. I mean, we're coming into a whole other day as well. I mean, I've been up now over 18 hours, and this is getting a little bit tedious, so I'm gonna go and put on some music on like 100%, keep me going all the way home. I've still got another 1 hour and 57 minutes to home, so yeah, pray for me. Again, I hope you enjoyed. If you like what you saw, then you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is 2 AM and I've just made it back home. I'm beyond shattered. I'm just going to go straight in and get conked out. That is it. So this one's, I've already ended it, but I thought I'd just give you an update. 2 AM. We've been out for 20 hours. No, 21 hours. Yeah. Anyway, I'm off. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm just going to leave the outro here and then slap it in afterwards anyway. And I don't know why I'm saying that, because no one's going to see that part if it's after. Why would I say that?
Where's?
I'm going to have to leave that part in now because it's more natural. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna cut my bit here, then we'll do the POV drive, and then we'll cut that again. But I'll leave this in because
Bear cutting.
I can't do the cutting. There's too much cutting.
Man's cutting shapes.
Cutting all the shapes.